If you want to change the icon size on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video, I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Home Screen. Now, on this page, you will find the option of App Size. Now, to increase the app size on your tablet, just swipe the slider to the right side. And as you can see in the preview, we have increased the icon size. And if we go to the home screen and if we open the app drawer, as you can see, we have increased the icon size on our tablet. Now to decrease the icon size, just go back to settings. Now instead of swiping the slider to the right side, just swipe it to the left side. As you can see, we have decreased the icon size on our tablet. Just like that. And this is how you can change the icon size on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.